Okay, we have a big day coming up, like a big day in history for Restored by Allie. I am going to pack up some furniture and some thrifting items that I've like stored up in my storage unit and bring it over to Stewartville, where I'm gonna have my first location in a thrift antique store. This is like big deal. This is a big deal for any business moving one step forward to their goals, and this is a really big step and it's really awesome. I really appreciate the opportunity I'm being given, as well as I'm so happy to also be helping them out with my services as well, like my social media services. And it's just so exciting. Like, I'm so excited. I actually won't be able to bring all the furniture that I want to the store because I literally have no help today. It's just me, and I can't lift everything on my own, and I can't get everything in the truck by myself. So I'm just gonna bring what I can, and then hopefully later bring some more stuff to fill it up, but it's a start. We gotta start somewhere, and I'm so excited to be doing this. So first, I'm gonna load up my truck with everything that I have here, and then head over to the storage unit, and then head over to the antique mall. All right, I'm in the truck, and I'm about to head to the storage unit to get as much as I can. It's almost gonna be a little embarrassing showing up with like maybe one piece of furniture and a bunch of thrifting stuff. Hopefully I have enough space to put things there. I have to probably look into getting some shelving. But anyways, I wish I had an assistant so bad. It's not that these things are super heavy. I just need another person to help me get things in the truck, help me get things into doors. It's just like, oh, this is not a one-person job, but I'm gonna try to do my best to make it a one-person job. So yeah, we're gonna go head over to the storage unit quick. It's kind of a rainy, gross day. That's another reason I'm not bringing some furniture, because if I put it in the back, it's gonna get drenched on my way there. So also the weather's not working with me. But this is exciting. Remember that, this is a big day in Restored by Allie history. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I made it to the storage units, obviously, you can see that. I need to start trying to fit things in here. We'll see what I have in there. I don't even remember everything. But we're gonna try to beat or like go in between. There's like sheets of rain that will come, and it's super windy out. So hopefully I can like get everything loaded up before another one happens. But we'll see. What an adventure. Yay. All right, let's go. Okay, so I have everything that I thrifted fits in my truck, obviously, but I only have one piece of furniture because I can't lift anything else or put it in the back, or it doesn't fit in the truck. So yeah, let's head over to Stewartville and start getting everything set up. Okay, we made it. I don't have a lot of stuff, but I'm going to try to set it up the best I can. Okay, so I am done setting everything up. I'm starving, so I came to Quick Trip and I got a soft pretzel with a little bit of cheese. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna eat that really quick. I also bought something while I was at this. So I actually got something when I was there and I was shopping, and I got this for $8. Woo! That's so cool. I'm so excited about that. It's for an upcoming project. Okay, I am back home now, and I just unloaded a few things that I brought back home with me in the truck. And now I'm probably going to work on freelance work for the rest of the day, and then to make my celebration meal, which is gonna be my favorite food, Alfredo, for dinner. And then after that, probably work again. So nothing too exciting to film. Maybe I'll show you guys my dinner in this video later on, obviously. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being a part of like this historical day for Restored by Alli. I know it might not be or seem like a big deal to some people, but it is a big step for me in my business, and I'm excited to bring you with. And yeah, I feel like I'm saying and a lot. Whew, my brain is like just on overdrive. I'm already thinking and putting in a list in my head about all the things I need to get done today, tomorrow, and then also everything I need to get done for furniture for the next vendor show. Like, my brain just can't stop. I need to figure out how to make my brain stop. But sorry if these videos are kind of like all over the place because of my brain just being crazy today. Anyways, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Follow my Instagrams. I have 3 of them. You can see them in the description below. I also have a TikTok and a Facebook. So let's get to dinner and then we'll move on from there. Okay, I have finished making my shrimp broccoli Alfredo, and I'm going to enjoy this meal and celebrate my stay in history for Restored by Alli. Also included with cranberry bubbler, my favorite. Cheers. Woo! Kind of feels weird to celebrate these things that I never thought I would get to. But I did, and we're still moving forward. We still have a lot of goals to meet, a lot of new things happening, and at the end of May, a really big fun thing happening that I can't talk about much right now. But anyways, yeah, you guys have like come along with me on this crazy journey of my life in general, but also building this furniture business, and I am so grateful. And I'm sure it's really interesting to watch all my crazy adventures. But I realized earlier today, I kept saying like, oh, I'm doing this alone. I'm not really alone, I got you guys. You guys are with me through it all. So thank you so much. I think that's all I have for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.